Clean the back of the phone. Fold the sheet sideways and remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed from the sheet. Place the cut over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding onto the marked sticker, lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward using the squeegee. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Remove the only a part of the top layer, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. While removing the top layer, tightly paste the CI panels. Do the same for all the sides while removing the top layer. Using the squeegee, push out the bubbles in the corners. Enhance adhesion by heating the four corners with a hair dryer and pressing firmly. The bubbles, shades, and lines will automatically heal off within 24 hours.